Three aspects of human being. 1. The actual personality, that is soul. This is a spiritual being which is a non-matter, complete personality or entity. This was created in the permanent word. The Quran terms this spiritual being as nafs. These personalities or nufus were put to slumber after the covenant, which is stated in Surah Al-Araf, that is chapter 7 of Quran, verse 172. These nufus or souls entered into a covenant with God in the permanent word. These nufus are brought from that order of existence and attached to the hearts of the physical bodies in the womb of the mothers after around 120 days from conception. Moral concepts, aesthetical concepts, and mathematical concepts relate to this actual personality or spiritual being. But we should always keep in mind that our test in this word is confined to the moral concepts only. We are not under tests with regard to other concepts, that is, aesthetical concepts or mathematical concepts. 2. The body. This body is also a creation of God and is provided to the actual personality as a carrier for a limited time to use and not to misuse. The body acts on the principle of survival of the self and survival of the species, just like other animals. For the survival of the self, the human being eats, drinks, and makes shelter. And for the survival of the species, the male and female act instinctively, mate and procreate. The term nafsul amara in the Quran refers to this sexual instinct. 3. Ruh, also called spirit. This is the spirit or divine spark of God, which could be termed as conscience. The Quran describes it as nafs lawama. It is attached with the body, that is carrier, for further guidance of the actual personality. The function of the spirit or divine spark or the conscience is to rebuke the actual personality, that is spiritual being, on the commission of bad deeds. This is termed as trust or al-amana at the end of Surah Al-Ahzab of Quran. The actual personality, that is soul, is the driver of the body, and its basic test is to keep the body, that is carrier, within certain limits for a specified period, that is, until the biological death of the physical body, while Ruh is the Spirit of God. In Christianity, these three aspects of a human being are more clearly described as body, soul, and spirit. Here, it is important to reiterate that the instincts relate to the physical body, that is carrier, whereas attributes or concepts such as morals, aesthetics, mathematical concepts, and the concept of accountability relate to the rider, that is actual personality or soul, also called nafs in Quran.